Today we're building strength with our travel bag or whatever you have laying around the house. It could be a pillow, it could be a book, a small box, or even a dumbbell. I'm using my travel bag because I'm going on vacation and this is what I'm going to be using in my hotel room. It's not really heavy at all. I have maybe a pair of jeans and a couple of shirts, so keeping it light, but this is great resistance for today's routine. All right, let's go. All right, before we get started with our actual bag, we're gonna warm up our shoulders a little bit. We're gonna use them a lot in this routine, so simple shoulder rolls to the back. We're gonna raise our shoulders like we're shrugging, then drop them back, and then do this little circular motion, nice and slowly, get that blood flowing in that area. Now, this routine is part of the Quick and Effective series, so to make it quick, we're gonna cut down on our break time. We usually have a 15-second break. Now we're just gonna go from exercise to exercise, but don't worry, this is gonna be a short routine. It's gonna be about 10 minutes, so we're gonna be tired at the end, but that's good because it's short, it's effective, and it's fun. All right, these shoulder rolls feel good. Now we're gonna do some dynamic hugs. So wrap your arms around your chest and alternate which arm goes above and below. It's always good to do some short and more intense workouts from time to time. You change it up a bit. You send different signals to your muscles and to your body. You awaken those dormant muscles in different ways. We've been doing a lot of slow but longer routines between 15 to 20 minutes. I think the last time we did a quick and effective one was at the end of winter when it's really tough to maintain a consistent fitness schedule. So I like to throw in quick and effective routines when the motivation is low and summertime. We like to have fun and not waste, the nice sunny days. So quick and effective, perfect for the summer. All right, let's grab your weight, the bag that you have or whatever weight you have. And we're gonna raise it over our head, press it over our head, simply like that. Bring it back down. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Now again, I don't want you to have too much of a heavy weight here. We are simply awakening those dormant muscles, building a little bit of strength and endurance, and you really don't need that much weight. Now, the important thing is to engage these muscles, so I want you to flex your abdominal muscles to keep your back straight at all times. If you're not engaging, then you might lean too forward back or you might lose balance, so having those abdominal muscles nice and tight will ensure that you're protecting your spine.